So this is another update for my basement remodel that I'm working on. Everything is framed, as you can see here, and then the wiring is done too, like the electrical has been done. So we're going to call the inspectors to come inspect this before we can put drywall. It looks like that all the outlets have been installed up here on the top, and then on the other side you can see up there. So I wanted to share with you guys before you can call the inspector, there's a few things that are very, very important that you have to do. When you do the wiring, you usually make holes on the studs like this one here. But the most important ones that but a lot of people fail when they call the inspector is the holes that you make up here. I'm gonna go the other side so you guys can see. If you don't fill those holes, you are going to fail the rough inspection before you can do the drywall. Up on the subfloor up here, if you make any holes, you're required by code to fill them up with fire foam. You see, like over here, this hole right here, these holes has to be filled with fire foam. And the reason is, if there was like fire down here, they don't want any fire getting through here to upstairs. So the requirement by code is that these holes here have to be filled by fire foam. And if you're able to, you can put insulation, just fill a bunch of insulation here. But I have a can of this fire foam here. This is what you need to buy. It says Fireblocking that you use to fill those holes with, and you should be safe. So you have, and it shows you right here on the can what it's supposed to do. If you see right here. So I'm gonna be doing that right now, and I wanted to show you guys. So let's start with these ones here. So basically, you just put this foam can here and spray. So I got this hole here. And you just fill it like that, and it expands. See it? And then there's another one here. If you can see here, you have to put some in here as well. And then it's going to expand. So you just have to walk through everywhere. Where there's any holes up here, must be filled. It's not an option. You have to fill them, or else your inspection, you're going to fail. Right, there's another one right here. There you go. And do you see where that pipe is coming through and the wires are coming through? Right here. This one has to be filled as well. It's all over there. Like right here. All right, so I'm doing another one here. You can see here, I have to fill this one. Thing in there and just spray the foam. And just fill it up. I don't see anything on this side. Oh yeah, there's one here. See this one? So you just do that. So those are simple things that you have to do before you can call the inspection. There's another hole here. There you go. I'm doing this one here. So I'm just covering all of it, even here. See all these holes? I think that's it. I think I got them all. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions about being able to pass code. Just don't forget that, because if you forget that, the inspector is going to come and say, yeah, you failed. All right, that's all I wanted to share, guys. Please check my other videos. I will keep updating you guys on my basement for remodeling. Now, once we get all this inspected and passed, we're going to be doing drywall. Please follow along and learn together. Have a good one.